Today, I was told about a dog that was hit by a car. A lady, neighbor, called a line to report about the dog. I was given the location and I went this afternoon. I did not expect, I really did not expect to find what I found. Under a car was laying a dog, and I could see the head. The lady that called said that she could see the brain of the dog. I don't know what it was, what she thought or what I thought. I just couldn't believe that this pitiful soul was still walking the road, and nobody beside that lady cared to call for help. I brought him to the refuge because by the time I caught him, it was already too late and all of the clinics were closed. But I managed to call a vet and told me to bring him in the morning. At the refuge, setting a place for him in the house to stay for the night, I examined him and I noticed he was not hit by a car. What he has is the most extreme case of venereal tumor that I have ever seen in my life. This did not happen in a week or even a month. This is the result of long months, and even a year, probably a year. This dog has an owner. He was next door to his house and the neighbor said that the owner lived there. The guy saw me getting the dog. He didn't even bother. He didn't even bother moving a finger to help me put the trap in my car. He let this dog rot, literally rot on the street. I don't know if there is anything that the vet can do. I just don't know if he's even gonna be able to survive being Christine if he goes through chemo. He just hurt me so bad. The people are so cruel. I just don't understand. I just don't understand anything that God help this poor soul.